Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, upload the photo you want to watermark into your Canva project. There are two main ways to add a watermark. The first method is using the text tool. Click on Text, then select a heading and type your brand name or any text you'd like to use as the watermark. Next, enlarge the text and change the color so it contrasts with the image. White works well in most cases. After that, select a more visually appealing font and adjust the size to fit the image layout. Now, click on the text layer, then get to the top right and select Transparency. Lower the transparency to your liking to make the watermark subtle but visible. You can place the watermark at the top or anywhere on the image. And if you want it repeated, just copy and paste it multiple times or duplicate it across the image. The second method involves using your logo. Upload a logo with a transparent background and drag it onto the image. Then, just like with the text, reduce the transparency to your desired level. Once done, click on Share and then Download to save your image with the watermark applied. So that's basically how you can create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.